Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naresh and this is my new YouTube channel. चैनल का नाम मैंने zigzag रखा है. चैनल का नाम मैंने zigzag इसीलिए रखा है क्योंकि लाइफ में जो लाइफ का ग्राफ होता है वो हमेशा zigzag तरीके से ऊपर बढ़ता है. जैसे कि आपने स्टॉक मार्केट का ग्राफ देखा है. ऑलवेज व्हेन यू बाय अ स्टॉक द प्राइस ऑफ द स्टॉक never rises in a straight line. There are a lot of corrections. You can consider them as failures with respect to life. So when a stock price rises, it never rises in a straight line. But if the price of the stock is rising, it always makes higher tops and higher bottoms. So similarly, in graph of life, we should make higher tops and higher bottoms. That means bottoms जो हैं वो है हमारे लाइफ के फेल्यूर्स, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स. वी ऑल हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम आवर फेल्यूर्स एंड डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स so that the success that we get after reaching bottom is so huge that overall the direction of the graph or the direction of the life, that means we should keep on improving in life. The purpose of starting this channel is very simple. I see a lot of abusive content on social media. A lot of misleading people are becoming influencers. The only way I can beat them and I can compete with them is by putting in the content which is useful for youth of India. My channel is not a motivational channel. With my experiences in life, I will try to give you examples so that we can learn from those examples and improve our life. If my vocabulary is getting repetitive in this YouTube video, kindly pardon me, this is my first video. Eventually the production will be more professional. I am a very new YouTuber, you can say. In quarantine, I had started a channel called as Desi Shark. I will put in the link for that channel. On that channel, I was promoting behavioral finance and some good Indian recipes so that we should eat healthy and live a better life. So coming back to the topic, the reason for starting this channel is misleading content and misleading influencers who are present on social media. I don't know what is their aim in life, and I am very shocked that the artificial intelligence and the moderators of social media are allowing them to put such content. If somebody is trying to oppose a politician, if somebody is trying to oppose a hypocrite actor, if somebody is trying to oppose the system, then all these platforms have a lot of boundaries and lot of rules for that. But if some guy is flaunting a gun, if some guy is putting abusive content, I think their artificial intelligence is yet not that trained that it should stop that video, or it should put in some filters to remove the misleading material that is being put forward on social media. So in this channel, in my channel, we are going to basically discuss about different aspects of life, which can include health, lifestyle, personal finance, investment. We are going to review many TV series also, and I am not personal big fan of these actors, but with respect to the TV series content, we are going to learn how to derive some knowledge out of them, and we will be putting videos on that. We are also going to review some books. Many videos will be based on, like, let's say 10 things you can learn from this particular book. I am going to read a particular book. Let's say in a week I'll finish that book, and I'm going to put a video of 10 takeaway points and 10 lessons that I have learned from that book, and I'll share that with you. I would also like to give one message to young India, that It is time that you become selfish in life, selfish with respect to time. Do not waste your time on actors, cricketers, or influencers. You should invest that time in reading books, not necessarily books from your schools and colleges. You can read a lot of books on fiction, autobiographies, finance, current affairs, history. We can learn a lot from history also, so that we do not repeat the mistakes. Let history repeat itself, but we should not repeat the mistakes. We'll also be promoting some good food. I'll be recommending some products which can save your money. For example, I will stop you from spending money on a coffee mug that is around rupees 500. You can buy half kg of coffee and drink 50 glasses at your home. So coming back to the name of the channel, Zigzag. It is a zigzag way to a happy life. Often we plan a lot of things in life, but लाइफ में ना कुछ सीधा नहीं होता है. आप कुछ सोचते हो, आप किसी चीज़ के लिए प्लान करते हो, भगवान ने आपके लिए कुछ और ही सोचा होता है. देन देयर आर सर्टन हर्डल्स, सर्टन एक्सपीरियंसेस इन लाइफ दैट स्टॉप अस फ्रॉम टेकिंग अ सर्टन पाथ और टेकिंग अ सर्टन डिसीजन which shapes our destiny in the future. Hopefully, the material or the content that I am putting on my channel will be helpful for young India, and I am going to improve the speed of the podcast also, the speed at which I speak, the animations. This is my first video, so it is time that you become selfish for your time, and you should be selfish for your money. Stop wasting money eating in expensive restaurants on weekends. Start taking care of your health. When you are young, you do not realize your immunity is strong, your digestive system is strong. But eventually when you get old, let's say after the age of 45 or 50, harmful effects are seen on your body. What you eat reflects on your face. Also, you should be selfish for your mental health. If you are healthy, if you are well, if you are strong, then and only then you will be able to take care of others. You should also be selfish for your family and your relationships. You should protect them from other antisocial elements which are present in this world. And you should respect money. You should respect your own religion and do not abuse other religions. ये सबसे कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है. अपने बैंक अकाउंट पे ज़रा ध्यान दो, रिटायरमेंट में काम आएगा. So that is the basic funda of starting this channel, is that whatever Tatti Chhap influencers are present on social media, see, I cannot individually argue with them or fight with them. Maybe I cannot compete with them because they are already verified. They have a marketing team that handles their channel. अपना भी time आएगा. But the aim of this channel is that the youth of India should now mature and take the reins of this country in their own hand, pay taxes on time. I may call few of my friends on this podcast who are chartered accountants, who may guide us on the taxation system of India, how to do active and passive investment. I am a doctor by profession. I'll keep on guiding you regarding how to get the best out of the healthcare system in this country, why investing in medical insurance and health insurance or life insurance is very important. So मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना भूल गया. माई नेम इज़ नरेश एंड आई एम अ डॉक्टर बाय प्रोफेशन. आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिग्री इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ मुंबई. And I am not your brother, I am not your fake motivational speaker with Bollywood connections. I am here to relax, and while relaxing, if I can share my experiences of life, and if you can gain 10 to 15% from this video and apply in your life and improve your life, I'll be more than happy. This is my way of relaxing. I am also thankful to all the social media platforms for giving us the freedom to speak. Earlier अगर इन 90s और इन लेट 80s किसी को ऐसे माइक लगा के कैमरा लगा के कुछ अपनी बात को दुनिया के सामने रखना होता था तो इट वाज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. यू हैड टू डू जर्नलिज्म, मे बी टीवी जर्नलिज्म. उसमें भी काफ़ी सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस थे. बट यूट्यूब हैज़ गिवन अस द पावर, और अदर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, that you can directly communicate with the Prime Minister of the country. We should not disrespect these people. Nowadays people are very insecure, and it takes a lot of courage to get into a system, be a politician, and do things or improve the system which has a lot of loopholes. I salute to all the politicians from whichever party they are. There are corrupt people also. The youth of India has also, or should also, realize that if somebody is promoting a bygone thing which is not useful in your daily to daily life, that you should boycott that. The decision is on you. Politicians these days are very sensitive people. They get offended very easily. The only way we can improve is by ignoring such things and focusing on how we can pay taxes on time and contribute to the well-being of the country. We should wear masks so that COVID-19 doesn't spread because of us. We should not spit outside. We should keep our home and our premises clean. These are all the small things that were taught to us in schools, in a subject called, as I think so, civics. Apparently civics should have been a big subject, but we were focusing more on history, which is also not wrong. We should be grateful to our forefathers who fought for our freedom, and we should take care of this country that they have left us. We have been abusing power, we have been abusing nature, we have been abusing emotions a lot of lately. Yes, there are good and bad people in this world, but the more good we do will be helpful to the entire universe. All of us have a duty towards our family and this country. So let's not waste time. Let's begin a journey of improvement. On this good note, I will end this video, and from the next video we will be discussing specific topics. I'll be uploading my next video very soon. So I thank you all for listening to me. Whoever is listening, if you have gained at least 10 to 15% or 20% from this video, I request you to subscribe or share this channel. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.